In this tutorial, you'll learn how to perform a chargeback. The ability to perform a chargeback depends on your user roles and permissions. Chargebacks occur when a consumer disputes a charge on their credit or debit card account, and the cardholder's bank reverses the payment transaction. If your business receives a chargeback notice for a payment, you can record that chargeback in Kill Bill. Open the customer's account and click Payments. Select the payment associated with the chargeback. Hover over the credit card icon and select Chargeback. Kaui opens the Process Chargeback screen with the amount and reason fields already filled in. The chargeback reason is automatically selected based on Kaui configuration settings. However, you can make a different selection. If the subscription associated with the payment needs to be canceled, check the Cancel Account Subscriptions box. Adding comments is optional. If you add comments, the text you enter here displays on the timeline page after the payment is complete. Now you can save. Kaui saves the chargeback and displays it as a separate row on the Payments Details page.